Picture yourself frozen at your desk, the clock ticking, your dreams buried under a pile of doubts you built yourself. Every time you say later or I'm not ready, you're stealing from the life you could have. Don't you feel that weight crushing your chest? What if one choice right now could burn those doubts to ash and set you free? This is your moment to rise and claim the success you're meant for. The Stoicism mindset is your fire, forged in the wisdom of Marcus Aurelius, Seneca, and Epictetus, turning self-sabotage into focus, discipline, and triumph. Stoic philosophy teaches you command your thoughts, actions, and courage, not the doubts or fears that chain you. Self-sabotage spikes stress by 30%, studies show, fogging your mental health. The Stoicism mindset counters this, offering 10 principles to master yourself. Meet Riven, a 31-year-old baker from Portland. Riven's procrastination let her family's bakery crumble, nearly losing her daughter's future. "I was drowning in my own excuses," she whispers, her hands trembling over unpaid bills. Stoicism for beginners gave her a lifeline. She faced her doubts, saved her shop, and baked her way to a local award. Riven's fight sparks Stoicism motivation for anyone trapped by their own mind. Why does the Stoicism mindset conquer self-sabotage? It's a blade that cuts through your inner chaos. Marcus Aurelius said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." Discipline, the heart of Stoicism mindset, boosts productivity by 28%. Research confirms building your Stoic ascent. In Stoicism relationships, this steadies you against doubt, fueling self-improvement. Imagine Riven that night staring at her daughter's photo thinking, "I can't fail her again." That's the Stoicism mindset, turning pain into purpose. Face your doubt. The first principle the Stoicism mindset unveils: name your fear. "I'll mess up my presentation." Write it, then act. "I'll rehearse twice." Picture yourself succeeding. Meet Thane, a 29-year-old carpenter from Auckland. Thane's fear of criticism stalled his furniture, his workshop silent. "I kept imagining their judgment," he admits. Stoicism motivation pushed him to face it. He built a table, sold it, and now crafts for clients. "Doubt was my spark," he says, boosting mental health. The Stoicism mindset turns fear into focus. Try the doubt breaker. Write one doubt. Take one step against it today. Build resolve. The second principle the Stoicism mindset champions. Resolve crushes procrastination. Pick a task. Finish my report. Say, "I start now." Track it. Done. Meet Vesper, a 32-year-old nurse from Cairo. Vesper's delays cost a patient's trust, her confidence crumbling. "I let fear win," she confesses, her voice low. Stoicism practice built resolve. She acted swiftly, earned a promotion. "Action is my shield," she says, driving self-improvement. The Stoicism mindset forges commitment, reducing anxiety. Use the resolve anchor. Choose a task. Act without hesitation. Own your effort. The third principle the Stoicism mindset embraces. Effort, not excuses, shapes you. Choose a hard action. Run 5K. Affirm, "My work defines me." Ignore, "I'm too busy." Meet Kaylin, a 30-year-old teacher from Chicago. Kaylin's self-doubt dulled her lessons, her students drifting. "I was failing them," she thought, her throat tight. Stoicism for women owned her effort. She redesigned her classes, inspiring her school. "Effort is my power," she says, boosting productivity. The Stoicism mindset clears obstacles, enhancing mindfulness. Try the effort forge. Pick a tough task, skip excuses, do it. Master your focus. The fourth principle the Stoicism mindset unveils. Distraction feeds sabotage. Pick one task. Write 300 words. Mute notifications. Work 30 minutes. Say, "I control my mind." Meet Elias, a 34-year-old chef from Athens. Elias's scattered thoughts burned his dishes, his kitchen chaotic. "I was everywhere but here," he mutters. Stoicism practice sharpened his focus. He perfected a recipe, earned rave reviews. Focus is my blade, he says, reducing anxiety. The Stoicism mindset drives success, strengthening Stoicism relationships. Use the pakku, focus flame. Silence distractions. Work 30 minutes straight. Choose courage. The fifth principle the Stoicism mindset champions, where Riven returns. Courage defeats fear. Commit to a bold act. Pitch my idea. Affirm. I face the risk. Journal the outcome. Riven, now stronger, faced her biggest fear, asking for a loan to save her bakery. My hand shook, but I thought of my daughter, she recalls. Stoicism motivation pushed her. She got the loan, rebuilt her shop, and won a local award. Courage saved us, she says, her voice steady. The Stoicism mindset builds resolve, boosting motivation. Try the courage spark. Choose a bold act. Note its impact. Riven's story reminds us, courage is a choice, even when your heart phrases. Practice resilience. The sixth principle the Stoicism mindset unveils. Setbacks test you. Visualize a failure. I lost a client. Plan your response. I'll find another. Say, I rise stronger. Meet Vael, a 31-year-old florist from Dublin. Vael's self-doubt lost a wedding contract. Her shop on the Yao brink. I thought it was over, she says, eyes distant. Stoicism daily built resilience. She pivoted, thrived at markets. I grow through falls, she says, boosting mental health. The Stoicism mindset forges strength, enhancing Stoicism lessons. Use the resilience vow. Plan a setback response. Affirm your strength. Release perfection. The seventh principle. The Stoicism mindset champions. Perfection paralyzes. Start an imperfect task. Draft my plan. Say, progress beats perfect. Reflect. What worked? Meet Zarin, a 35-year-old coder from Sao Paulo. Zarin's perfectionism delayed. His team frustrated. I was chasing impossible, he admits. Stoicism practice released perfection. He launched, succeeded. Good enough wins, he says, reducing anxiety. The Stoicism mindset frees you, fostering mindfulness. Try the perfection pause. Start imperfectly, note progress. Forge discipline. The eighth principle the Stoicism mindset embraces. Discipline defeats sabotage. Commit to a habit. Meditate 10 minutes. Track it with Habitica. Say, discipline is my freedom. Meet Myra, a 27-year-old artist from Montreal. Myra's delays stalled her paintings, her gallery empty. I was letting myself down, she thought, brushing away tears. Stoicism for women forged discipline. She painted daily, exhibited her work. Habits shape me, she says, boosting productivity. The Stoicism mindset drives success, aligning with Stoicism on love. Use the discipline shield. Commit to one habit, track it. Learn from failure. The ninth principle the Stoicism mindset champions. Failure teaches. Reflect. My pitch failed, I'll prepare better. Say, failure builds me. Apply. A lesson today. Meet Joran, a 32-year-old trainer from Amsterdam. Joran's self-sabotage lost clients, his gym struggling. I was my own worst enemy, he says, voice heavy. Stoicism practice learned from failures. He retooled, grew his business. Mistakes make me, he says, driving motivation. The Stoicism mindset turns setbacks into strength. Use the bear failure lens. Apply one failure's lesson now. Live with purpose. The 10th principle the Stoicism mindset unveils, with an emotional spike. Purpose defeats doubt. Write a goal. Build my career. Act daily. Affirm. My purpose guides me. Meet Vael, a 30-year-old writer from Nairobi. Vael's procrastination nearly cost her daughter's school fees. Her story's unpublished. I saw her face and broke. She sobs, recalling the moment she nearly failed her child. Stoicism for Beginners fueled purpose. She wrote fiercely, published her book. Purpose is my fire, she says, boosting Stoic assent. The Stoicism mindset transforms your life, fostering mental health. Use the purpose pulse. Write a goal. Act daily. The Stoicism mindset reshapes your destiny. Physically, discipline lowers stress, boosting mental health. Mentally, focus sharpens clarity, fueling motivation. Emotionally, resilience fosters peace, aligning with Stoicism on love. Spiritually, you live with purpose, embodying Epictetus's call. You become what you give your attention to. Picture Riven now, her bakery bustling, her daughter laughing. I almost lost it all, she says, her voice soft but firm, but I chose to fight. Her Stoic assent proves you can too. Or take Neera, a 33-year-old engineer from Mumbai. Neera's self-doubt delayed her projects, her career stalled. I was hiding, she admits. Stoicism practice sparked discipline. She earned a patent. I shape my future, she says, boosting motivation. Ready to crush self-sabotage with the Stoicism mindset. Here are 10 Stoicism exercises for Stoicism for Beginners, igniting mental health, focus, and success. Doubt breaker. Name a doubt. Act against it. Resolve, anchor. Pick a task. Act now. Effort. Forge. Choose a hard action. Skip excuses. Focus flame. Mute distractions. Work 30 minutes. Courage. Spark. Commit to a bold act. Journal its outcome. Resilience. Vow. Plan a setback response. Affirm strength. Perfection. Pause. Start imperfectly. Note progress. Discipline shield. Commit to a habit. Track it. Failure. Lens. Apply a failure's lesson. Purpose pulse. Write a goal. Act daily. Riven's bread, Vael's words, and Neera's patents prove one truth. The Stoicism mindset conquers self-sabotage to forge a life of focus. For 30 days, embrace one Stoicism exercise. Face doubt, forge discipline, or live with purpose, and journal your progress. Picture yourself in a month, steady, clear, triumphant. Riven stands in her bakery, her daughter's hand in hers, saying, I'm not afraid anymore. Your doubts are your forge. Your Stoicism mindset is your ascent. Forge your success now. What part hit you the most? Leave a comment below and make sure to subscribe to walk this Stoic path with us every week.